Here's markup and markdown. Sorry, gotta get a drink. I guess I could have done that before the video. Anyways, this is markup and markdown. It's real similar to the last one. So it says Discounts R Us buys items at wholesale, then marks it up to set a retail sale price. Some of the items the store sells are shown in the table below. So we have to complete the table. So they're all the same. Okay, if we even just look at number one, the price is $1.50. They're going to mark it up 20%. We need to find out how much that markup is first. Okay, so that's just percent of a number, right? Where you are finding 20% of $1.50. So I'm not going to do any of these for you. I'm just going to tell you how to do this one, maybe the next one. So we are finding 20% of $1.50. So you have to turn that into a decimal, move it twice to the left, or divide it by 100. So it is 0.20 times $1.50. That is going to equal our markup. Okay, so it's $1.50 times 0.20. Let's see here. I'm going to do this one for you, I guess. $1.50 times 0.20. So the markup is 0.3. 0.3. Well, it's money, so it's 30 cents. Okay? Now, we have the markup, so you just have to add the wholesale price and the markup price. And that will give you the retail price. Okay, so $1.50 plus 30 cents is $1.80. So that notebook that they sell or they buy for $1.50, they sell it for 30 cents more at $1.80. Okay, so every one of these is going to be the same. So you would, for the scissors, just multiply $3.25 times 40% as a decimal. That will give you your markup. And then just add the markup to the wholesale price every time. Okay, and that will give you the retail. Just if you don't talk to your neighbor and you just roll through it, you'll get it done pretty quickly. Working our way down. Find the retail sale price of each item below. Round to 2 decimal places when necessary. So you have to find the retail sale price. Okay, not just how much it's going down or how much it's going up. You have to actually add it or subtract it. Okay, so a mark down, we're going to subtract, right? And a mark up, oh, there's not any markups. They're all marked down. So you're subtracting all of these. Okay, so first find number 7. I'll help you with it. Find percent of a number. So we do 12% of 65, which really just means 12 hundredths because you move that decimal. So it's 0.12 of means to multiply times 65. That's going to equal the markup. And that is $7.8, but it's money, or it's marked down, sorry. 7.8, so it's $7.80. It's a mark down, so we would do $65 minus $7.80, and that will tell you your new price. Okay, these are all marked down. So first find percent of a number, then just subtract it from the original. Working our way down. Here, I'll write this right here. This is the mark down. Maybe that'll help you. I really don't want you to have any questions, but it's a little hard on video. All right, there we go. Then the bottom, use the information to complete 11 through 14. This walks you through the problem. A jewelry supply shop buys silver chains from a manufacturer for $C each. Okay, that means we don't know how much. And then sells the chains at 57% markup. So let's write the markup as a decimal. Just move it twice to the left. Let's 0.57. And it says write an expression. We haven't talked about this. You know what? Let's not even do it. Because we haven't done expressions or anything like that. So don't worry about it. You have 1 through 10. I don't want to have to teach you the difference in expressions and equations while I'm just trying to get you to learn markup and mark down percent of a number. Okay? So you've got 1 through 10 on this. If you have any questions, if Miss Smith is there, she has a math background, so she can help you. And if Miss Reed is there, I guarantee you she'll do the work to try and help you. Y'all have a great day.